Washington Logging Equipment Limited is pleased to present the latest addition to their quality line of yarding cranes and log loaders, the Washington Model 78 SL. This versatile machine was specifically designed for use as a second growth yarder, capable of yarding to 1,100 feet with a running skyline. The latest improvements now give this machine capability of yarding to 2,200 feet, rigged as a standing or a slacking skyline. The winch arrangement on the Washington 78 SL provides loggers with options of rigging the machine with running skyline for use as a grapple or a drop-line carriage and chokers, shotgun where ground conditions and timber dictate the use of a gravity carriage, slackline or standing skyline with an optional fifth drum for use with skyline carriages, and high lead for picking up corners and areas with little or no deflection. There are a number of features of the Washington 78 SL which make it an ideal machine for commercial thinning or for logging second growth. The 78 SL is powered by a 240 horsepower GM 6V71 engine, which drives the winch through a single-stage torque converter and a twin-disc 4-speed transmission. The transmission allows the operator to maximize his line speed at all times, regardless of the size of the turn. Weighing in at 95,000 pounds fully rigged, the Washington 78 SL is easy to move on the highway if necessary, and may be moved without disassembly. The boom and gantry are raised and lowered in minutes by the use of a hydraulic cylinder when it's necessary to clear power lines or for a highway move. The 6-mile-per-hour travel speed, with the boom and gantry raised, makes moves from setting to setting quick, and its 25% gradability allow it to move on its own in most instances. The winch on the 78 SL is fully interlocked through all speed ranges. This results in high main drum line pull and extremely high line speeds. The maximum haulback line speed is 2,800 feet per minute, and the maximum main line speed is 2,500 feet per minute. The drums on the 78 SL are wide and have large diameter barrels. This results in very small variations in line speed from landing to tail block, which means that you can yard greater distances economically, an important feature in second growth logging, where timber size and density may be marginal. An important feature for windrowing are the 3 walking-style guy lines. The positioning of the sheaves in the guy line fairlead assembly allow the guy lines to be walked over one another, making it possible to move the machine by only moving one guy line. The low center of gravity of the 78 SL allows an operator to tightline the rigging over stumps when moving during windrow yarding. Another important feature for windrowing or decking logs on narrow landings is the 360-degree swing capability. The powerful hydraulic swing allows an operator to miss hang-ups, build a proper windrow pile, or deck logs beside the machine. The 78 SL is also very easy to operate. The interlocking winch eliminates the need for an operator to control haulback tension by the use of brakes. On the 78 SL, haulback tension is controlled by merely pushing or pulling on the lever at the operator's right hand. Other operating controls include swing on the left and transmission control on the right. Foot brakes are only used to hold the rigging in place, not for controlling the line tension. As previously noted, the high line speeds and versatility of the Washington Model 78 SL make it an ideal machine for commercial thinning or logging in second growth areas. The independent front drum feature provides this machine with an important plus in a commercial thinning show. Since the 2 main drums are identical in size and speed, the machine can effectively utilize a drop-line carriage and chokers. This 500-pound carriage allows an operator to go out any distance to a maximum of 1,100 feet, then have the winch pull out as much as 125 feet of slack in the drop line, and laterally yard a turn into the skyline road without moving the carriage towards the landing at all. Even though these shots show a clear-cut second growth show, it's easy to see how an area could be selectively logged through standing timber with this carriage and the Washington 78 SL. The ability to fly any number of chokers is another important factor in logging second growth. As the timber size varies, so can the number of chokers, but the volume per turn can be maximized at all times. Owners of the Washington 78s have reported production volumes in excess of 400 pieces per 8-hour shift using this method. In summary, the Washington 78 SL is a versatile, extremely fast yarder, specifically designed for logging second growth and commercial thinning, using a variety of rigging configurations: slacking or standing skyline, shotgun with gravity carriage, running skyline with grapple or choker carriage, high lead. Quick to move and fast to set up, the Washington 78 SL is a competitively priced machine, ideally suited for those small wood shows. We'd like to extend our thanks to Dyer Logging Limited and Bendickson Contractors Limited for their assistance in filming this production.